What is up guys, Tanner this side. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to create a new folder in VS Code. So first you need to create a new folder here at your desktop screen. So right click on the desktop and then hover to new and then click on folder. And after that, just name your folder. Let's say I have given new VS Code and I'll hit enter. And as you can see, my new folder has been created. And after creating the new folder, you need to head over to VS Code. And from here, you just need to click on the file option here on the left side. So as you can see this file option, click on this and then click on open folder. After that, this will ask you to select the folder that you want to open. So go to desktops and then search for the folder that you have just created. And as you can see, this is the folder new VS Code. Click on this and then click on select folder. And after that, as you can see, the a new folder has been opened. From here, you just click on new file and then you just need to select the file type. And let's say I am selecting txt, and as you can see, I have created my new file in my first folder. So this is how you can create a file in VS Code. That was all for this video, everyone. Thank you for watching.